Hello guys! To make the list of these pro tools, we have put in a lot of effort. You know, having skills isn't always enough to be a pro in the job field. Often, you need to have some great tools. That's why today, we are here with a list of 10 tools that will make you a pro. So, let's begin with this compact and powerful screwdriver from the great DeWalt. This handy guy is just made for best performance and top efficiency. With 25% more power, this tool gives you almost similar driving speed like the corded tools, but in a pretty small frame. Plus, it comes equipped a brushless motor that ensures longer runtime and durability. Plus, it comes with a 1/4-inch quick-release hex that allows quick bit changing. With 15 clutch settings, this screwdriver handles various fastening and drilling tasks effortlessly. Meanwhile, the 3 LEDs on the nose light up your workspace. And weighing only 2.0 pounds, this lightweight screwdriver is perfect for all your fastening needs. Next up, we have the Hilti CFS-SL Extended Speed Sleeve, a pro-level solution designed to make sealing cable penetrations faster, easier, and more reliable. Its twist-to-close mechanism allows professionals to quickly seal and reopen the sleeve as needed, making it perfect for environments where cable configurations change often, like data centers, hospitals, and production plants. The design ensures superior smoke tightness and airflow control, eliminating the need for messy sealants or putty thanks to built-in smoke gaskets. It's easy to inspect too. You can tell if the sleeve is closed just by looking. No need to remove any coverings. Compatible with a variety of materials like drywall, concrete, and masonry, and suitable for small to medium circular openings, this tool is a top pick for professionals who need an efficient, compliant, and durable solution for sealing cable penetrations. Looking for a powerful, no-nonsense cutting tool to add to your professional kit? The WorkPro Cordless Reciprocating Saw is built for the job. With its variable speed motor driving up to 2,800 strokes per minute, it handles tough materials with precision and ease. The tool-free blade release chuck makes blade changes quick and hassle-free, so you can keep moving without downtime. Its 4 amp-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures long runtime, while the built-in LED light keeps your workspace well lit even in tight or dark areas. This saw is a reliable and efficient choice for professionals who need performance and convenience on the go. Ever wished your tape measure could do more? The Eape 16 digital tape measure is the original game changer for professionals who demand precision and efficiency. With a 16-foot, 3/4-inch durable blade and a large digital display, it's designed for accuracy and ease of use. Features like centerline marking, 2 long-term memory settings, and short-term active memory make repetitive measurements faster and simpler. You can also re-zero for inside and outside measurements or switch effortlessly between US and metric units. Built with tough polycarbonate plastics and powered by a standard CR2CO32 battery with 64 hours of continuous use, this tool is perfect for professionals who need a reliable, versatile, and durable measuring solution on the job. Tired of struggling with warped boards and time-consuming deck installations? The Camo Lever is here to make your job easier and faster. This lightweight, intuitive tool locks in boards and clips with incredible power, making grooved installations a breeze. Its versatility means it works with any board and joist, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of decking projects. With just one turn, you can straighten warped boards or lock everything in place, freeing you up to focus on fastening. Compact, strong, and built for efficiency, the Camo Lever is a must-have for professionals who want to build better decks in less time. Festool Cordless Drill, a compact yet powerful tool packed with features for versatile and efficient use. Despite its small size, this cordless drill is highly robust and compatible with a compact battery pack that works with all chargers in the 18-volt cordless range. It comes with essential accessories, including a bit holder, LED light control, belt clip, and the convenient sustainer, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. Perfect for navigating tight spaces and handling various tasks, this cordless drill combines portability with functionality, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's time to get some exceptional cutting power. Makita C1G XT power cutter, a leader in efficiency and precision. It offers a cutting depth of 127 millimeters and a faster cutting speed than its competitors. This tool has a low vibration design with anti-vibration housing and built-in springs so that you can make smooth operation. Powered by a 40-volt Max X2 XGT battery and BL motor, it efficiently cuts 8 to 10 rebars of 16 millimeter diameter at once. Built for tough job site conditions, it features WetGuard, IPX4 compatibility, extreme protection technology, and active feedback sensing technology. On top of that, it has some additional features like the electric brake, overload indicator lamp, LED job light, and a water supply kit, which makes the cutter a perfect cordless tool for any job. This is the Skil 8-inch pole saw, a versatile and powerful tool designed to make tree trimming and pruning easy and efficient. Powered by the Skil PWR core. 20-volt battery, this cordless pole saw allows you to move freely without dealing with cords. Its 8-inch cutting bar ensures precise cuts even on high branches. With its compact design and just the right weight, it's easy to handle while still delivering top performance. Forget about cord limitations as you maneuver through branches effortlessly. Users love its functionality and how it simplifies outdoor tasks. When it comes to maintaining trees efficiently, the Skil pole saw is the reliable choice. Woodpeckers MT Center Gauge. This tool is here to simplify all your woodworking layout tasks with accuracy and ease. By simply placing the gauge on the edge of your stock and squeezing the two sides together, the marking bar automatically centers itself on your material due to the geometry of a parallelogram. This feature ensures consistent and precise center marking every time. Additionally, each marking bar has a hole milled precisely in its center, allowing you to effortlessly mark the center of any piece of stock by inserting a pencil and sliding it along. For laying out mortises or tenons centered on your stock, you can mark both sides of the bar. The gauge comes with interchangeable marking bars in specific widths, including options for both imperial and metric measurements, allowing you to choose the right size for your project. Now, this is something super cool, Milwaukee Inkzall Jobsite markers. With clog-resistant tips and the ability to write through dusty, wet, or oily surfaces, these markers are built to handle any environment. The durable marker tips are specifically designed for rough surfaces like OSB, cinder block, and concrete, ensuring clear and reliable markings every time. Plus, the quick-drying ink minimizes smearing, delivering professional results without the risk of smudges. Say goodbye to dried-out markers. The Inkzall markers feature a cap design that prevents premature drying, even if left off for extended periods. For added convenience, these markers come equipped with a built-in hard hat clip, making storage and access a breeze on the job site. The Works WD-331 cordless mini chainsaw combines powerful performance with a user-friendly design, making it perfect for various cutting tasks. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this mini chainsaw delivers enhanced power while protecting the motor and eliminating the need for maintenance. Its smart lubrication system ensures the chain stays properly oiled based on usage, optimizing performance without any guesswork. Is an ideal choice for convenience and high performance in a range of outdoor tasks. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 fuel circular saw. Though this tool is built for professional carpenters, remodelers, and contractors, it's also ideal for all the newbies. This saw leverages advanced cordless technology to deliver powerful cutting performance, making it ideal for tough applications. With a power state brushless motor running at 6,000 RPM, it maintains speed even under heavy loads, allowing you to tackle demanding tasks efficiently. On top of that, the RedLink Plus electronic system protects the tool from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. When paired with an M18 HD12 battery, this saw can deliver up to 750 cuts per charge. Designed for all-day use, the saw is ergonomic, compact, and lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended cutting sessions. Change your workshop safety standards with the Grabber Plus from Milescraft. This versatile push block is designed to enhance safety and control on table saws, router tables, and band saws. Building upon the success of the original Grabber, The Grabber Plus introduces two spring-loaded retractable heels, providing additional forward pressure and stability during cuts. These heels can be easily locked in place or left loose for automatic retraction, offering flexibility based on your needs. With its high visibility, yellow color, and ergonomic handle design, the Grabber Plus ensures maximum control and safety while keeping your hands away from the blade. The bottom features diamond grip rubber to firmly hold your workpiece and prevent slipping, while a soft TPE material protects boards from marring. For advanced comfort, control, and safety, the Grabber Plus is the ideal solution for workshops of any size. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.